Welcome to this guide on how to disable the manually approved tags feature on Instagram using your PC. If you're looking to simplify your tagging settings and allow all tags to appear automatically, follow these straightforward steps. First, open Instagram on your preferred web browser. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all the features. Next, locate the More icon on the left side menu of your Instagram homepage. This icon typically looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked together. Click on it to reveal additional options. Once the menu expands, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust various aspects of your account. Now, look for the Tags and Mentions section within the Settings menu. Click on it to enter the tagging options available for your account. In this section, you will see an option labeled Manually Approved Tags. Click on this option to view its current status. If it is enabled, you will need to disable it. Look for the toggle switch next to Tag Options and click it to turn off the Manually Approved Tags feature. After disabling this feature, any future tags made by other users will automatically appear on your profile without requiring your approval. This change allows for a more seamless experience when interacting with posts and helps maintain a more dynamic presence on the platform. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully disabled the manually approved tags feature on Instagram from your PC. Enjoy a more streamlined tagging experience where all relevant posts are displayed directly on your profile.